Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Tara Farr and I am a chiropractor with certification in nutritional counseling. Today we are going to discuss the standard American diet, or the SAD diet that I like to call it in our clinic. Now, the standard American diet is a very inefficient way to get the needed nutrients from our food. So let me give you some numbers to prove this. 92% of people in America do not eat enough vegetables. 93% of them do not eat enough legumes. 96% of people in the United States do not eat enough whole grains. And over 90% of people in the United States overconsume solid fats, added sugars, and alcoholic beverages. 45% of people do not eat any fruits or fruit juices. 22% of people do not eat any vegetables, and 25% of Americans eat fast food daily, and 70% of Americans eat McDonald's at least one time per week. Now, in America, ketchup, French fries, and pasta sauce are all considered vegetables in our school lunches. People are not getting the nutrients they need through food, and it is ultimately resulting in chronic inflammation and disease. We are plant deprived in this population. Our bodies are adapting to this lifestyle, and this lifestyle is called disease. Now, we have a saying in my clinic: we live too short and die too long. We have one body and one life in this world. Don't you want to feel the best you can during the short time that we're alive? Statistics show that by 2030, nearly 150 million Americans will have at least one chronic disease. Think about that. 1 in 2 Americans will have a chronic disease by 2030, and this includes children, adults, and the elderly. Already, 1 in 10 adults and 1 in 15 children have an activity-limiting chronic disease. Now, this is true with the result of this SAD diet that we discussed, the standard American diet. Obesity doesn't just hurt people, it limits the lifespan by 8 to 30 years. Let me say that again. Obesity doesn't just hurt people, it limits a lifespan by 8 to 30 years. Body fat is the cause of inflammation and is the common denominator of all chronic diseases. When we look at this through a functional approach, the core inflammation in the body is the fire to every issue or disease that we are working with. So us as Americans are overfed and undernourished. Atherosclerosis is now found in children ages 2 to 15 years old and in 30% of young adults. An optimal diet improves performance and promotes health and longevity. Now, by following some simple rules in our programs and changing our nutritional habits, we have the ability to extend the quality and quantity of life. Once we begin this journey into health and healthy eating and lifestyle changes, we will begin to change the I should to I choose to obtain that optimal health. Now, it's truly up to you to decide to make that change. Again, I am Dr. Tara Farr. I am passionate about your health and helping to create lifelong habits to a better you. So give us a call to choose to begin your journey today.